Hello, welcome everyone. Today we are going to revise your chapter networking concept. This is going to come in your Unit 1 exam. Networking, a computer network enables two or more computers to share data and peripheral devices. They communicate with each other as well as work independently. They can also share printers, modems, and other peripheral devices. A computer network enables two or more computing devices to share resources. And here it is written peripheral devices. Peripheral devices are those devices which we can externally connect with our computing devices, like printers, pen drives. So the printers, if we are connecting a single printer with our computer, that is also an example of network. They share resources. That means they communicate with each other. We can send the data. We can receive the data from computing devices. If we are that is in network, we can connect both the computing devices with the help of cables or wireless. So there are the various means by which we can connect the two computing devices to share the resources, that is our network. Some important advantages of networking are given here. It is not necessary in your unit exam that if the question will come, you will have to write these advantages. You can make the advantages by your own, or you can write the answer in your own language. It is not necessary that you have to copy the answers from the book. I will explain you some of the advantages, but you can also write the more advantages by your own. The first one is efficient use of storage media. Like if we are in a network, all the data is stored in a single computer. And that is called a server. It is not necessary that to store the data in different single computer. Preserving information, that we can easily take the backup. If suppose 10 computers are connected together and all the data is in a one main computer, that is one main server, then it is very easy to take the backup from the one computer. It's very hard to take the backup from more than one computer. If we have the data at a single place, then it will be very easy to take the backup. Reduction in hardware cost. If suppose we are connected with the different computers, and only the one main computer have the storage device, so it will reduce the cost of storing devices within the different system. We only need a hardware of storing media in a single computer. Or if we are having a different software run, if we are running a different software in the different system, it will be cost very much. But if we can run a single software in a main server and all can access it from the different nodes, efficiency will be increased. If we have to add, delete or modify data, or if we have to update the data in a single computer, then efficiency will automatically increase. It is, as it is very hard to modify or update the data in different computers. Redundancy means duplication of a data. If the data is repeated again, then it is very time consuming. In networking, the duplication of data is reduced, as all the data is at only one place, so there will be a no chance of duplication of the same data. Quickest document